and she was so happy. The end. Wasn't that a great book? Yes. Okay. Can you believe it's 40 years old? No, I know. Okay, so heads on pillows. Heads on pillows. Good. Have a good sleep, and I'll see you in the morning. Okay, good night, boys. Wow, that was an awesome bedtime story Miss Michelle read to us tonight. Yeah, it sure was. Dragons, princesses, they're my favorite book topic. And can you believe that book was written 40 years ago? The Paper Bag Princess is my new favorite book. Fast, flying, fiery dragon breath, and then the princess wins the day. Yep, it was pretty epic. And I don't know how I'm ever going to be able to go to sleep. I'm so excited, and I'm totally sure we're both just going to be dreaming about dragons. Oh, you are right. I do not know how we will ever sleep. Right? I want to fly and jump and find my dragon fire breath. Ah. Whoop, whoop, dragon, dragon,
You
whoop,
guys,
whoop.
you guys. What's going on?
Wah! We can't sleep.
Whoa.
Miss Michelle read us a story about dragons and princesses, and we are too excited!
Oh, okay, I see. Well, that's not good. Maybe we should try something. I have an idea. Yeah? Yeah, I think so. Lay down. Lay down. We'll get you tucked in. Lay down, Kevin. Oh,
No.
yes, lay down. Lay down. Here, look, I even have a blankie. You guys can cover up. There you go. Good, good. Ready?
Okay.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Whoa. Where am I? I feel like I'm in a dream world. What is that? Oh my goodness. What? Oh, is that a dragon? Was that a dragon? What? Oh, hello. Are you a hero? Can you save us? Well, I guess I might try. What seems to be the problem? Well, did you see the dragon? His name is Maple, and he has been plaguing us forever. Maple? That seems like a pretty nice sounding dragon name. Maybe he's not that bad. Oh, no, he is a bad dragon. He comes to the castle every morning, swoops down into the kitchen, steals all of our waffles. Waffles? I've never heard of a dragon that wants to eat waffles. Oh, yes. Maple has been around here for years, even before I was born. He is so old, even my great-great-great-grandmother knew him. We have tried everything. We even sent our very best chef to live with him and make all of his own waffles, but he still showed up the next day to steal ours. We just don't know what to do. Well, have you tried talking to him? Of course. He just refuses to answer. Just like a typical dragon. Well, let me think on it. Perhaps I can come up with a great idea. Well, okay, but if you are not the hero we need, then you better find somewhere else in the kingdom to stay. Okay. Think. Okay, come on, Kevin. Think of something. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna lure him with waffles. Let's see if I can get him to talk. Oh, dragon! Oh, dragon! I have waffles! Oh, okay. Oh, whoo! Hi, dragon. Hi. Can I call you Maple? Okay, thanks. So, you're a pretty impressive dragon. And I hear from the princess you love waffles. Okay, well, Maple, I think we need to find a way for you to get the waffles, without stealing them from the castle. Well, okay, so I don't understand dragon, and you're not really talking. So I'm gonna just ask you a bunch of questions, okay? Okay, do you love waffles? Do you live in a cave? Does the chef the princess gave you make you waffles? Does the chef eat with you? Oh, are you lonely? Did you hope someone would come and eat waffles with you? Aha! I have figured it out. Princess! Yes, hero. I have solved the case. Really? That is great news. Do tell. Well, it turns out that poor Maple is lonely. Lonely? Really? Not just hungry? Well, yes, he is hungry and lonely. He loves waffles, and every morning when he came and took your waffles, he was hoping someone would chase him and stay and eat the waffles. Really? Yeah. So I have an idea. Take a blanket to the garden and your waffles and your syrup and have a waffle picnic with Maple. He says he promises if you do this every morning, he will nicely and quietly join you for breakfast and never steal waffles again. Oh, hero! Oh, mwah! You are wonderful. Okay, Maple, I'll meet you in the backyard with waffles. Ta-ta! Well, that was a job well done. Off I go to my next adventure. Oh man, that was a crazy dream I had. Really? I don't think I had any dreams at all. Oh yeah, it was a pretty epic dream. Well, should we go have some breakfast? For sure. You know, I think my tummy's asking for waffles, which is totally weird because I don't really like waffles. Really? Do you want waffles with syrup? Yeah. Maple syrup? Now you're talking. Let's go get some waffles and maple syrup. Bye, kids. Have a great day. Bye, kids.